Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to analyze real estate investments on Fundrise, a platform that simplifies investing in real estate for individuals. If you're looking to diversify your portfolio with real estate, this guide is perfect for you. Let's get started. Sign up or log in to Fundrise. Visit the Fundrise website or app to create an account. If you're already a member, simply log in to access your dashboard. Explore investment options. Fundrise offers a variety of investment strategies, including income-focused, growth-focused, and balanced portfolios. Navigate to the Invest section to view the available offerings. Review investment details. Click on a specific investment to analyze key metrics, such as property type, residential, commercial, or mixed use, projected returns, estimated income and appreciation potential, location and market data, regional insights and growth trends, portfolio composition, diversification of assets within the offering. Understand the risk level. Fundrise categorizes investments by risk level. Lower risk options may focus on stabilized properties, while higher risk options target development projects with higher potential returns. Use Fundrise Insights. Leverage the platform's resources, including quarterly updates, performance reports, and expert commentary to stay informed about market trends and portfolio performance. Calculate potential earnings. Fundrise provides tools to estimate your returns based on your investment amount and strategy. Use these to set realistic expectations for your financial goals. Consider fees. Review the management and advisory fees associated with each investment. Fundrise is transparent about costs, which typically include a flat annual fee and performance-based charges. Diversify within Fundrise. To mitigate risk, consider spreading your investment across multiple projects or portfolios offered on the platform. With Fundrise, analyzing and investing in real estate is accessible and straightforward, even for beginners. Have you tried Fundrise for real estate investing? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful guides. See you in the next one.